World Defense Show is a show that Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, he decided to have a shows in our country, and it will be by 2030, like on top three shows in the world. That's why we start in the first edition in 2022 in Riyadh. And the second show, actually, we try to make it bigger. We try to invest in a small and medium Saudi company, and we have now in the 2026 we have a new features. We call it Future Defense Lab. That will be a Saudi company with international. They will be only present the new technology on the defense sector. So we are looking to have more exhibitors, more delegation, more country participating, and we are looking to be like top three in 2030. And that's why we in the World Defense Show we try to bring the big boys on the big companies on the world to see the Saudi company to try to make sure that they spend 50% by 2030. This is our role, to bring the small and medium Saudi company with a big company, international big companies. And the 2026 now we have an area we call it Saudi supply chain. The Saudi supply chain is the most important, in each, industry, that we dedicate as an area for only those Saudi that are working on the supply chain to make sure they are there on the supply chain of defense industry. We will have more countries, more exhibitors, and more delegation will be a part of our show. Of course, there is a lot of features, new features. One of those is meet the government entities, that you can, all those international, local, they can sit and see those big government entities in our country. We have 5 domains in the World Defense Show. This is our difference between the other shows. And we have dedicated runway, Yeah. We have like destination on an airside, and we have an area we call it land demo area with a lake that you can demonstrate on it. And at the same time, we have an area for that outdoor shows. World Defense Show now, as you mentioned before, it's a unique show in the world that you can see top countries and top what they call it companies with a high level of delegation. By the way, we get growth from 2022, 58% from the first show to the third show, and our total space now more than 270,000 square meters.